Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix the Roblox critical error failed to reach the client settings. So to do this, the first thing that you should do is to click the start menu or use the Windows search. And then you want to search for run and then open it. Next, you want to type the following into the run dialog. So you want to type percentage local app data percentage and then click on the OK button. Next, you want to find and open the Roblox folder, and then open the version folder. Now, open the version folder at the top of the list, and then find on the Roblox player beta. Next, you want to right-click it and select Show More Options, and then click on the Properties. Now, you want to go to the Compatibility tab, and then check these two options. Disable full screen optimization, and run this program as administrator. And then finally click on Apply, and then click on OK. Next, you want to delete the Roblox temporary files. So to do that, first you want to open the run again. And then this time you want to type in percentage, temp percentage, and then click on OK. Now you want to look for any folder related to Roblox. Right-click the Roblox folder and select on Delete. Next is to change your DNS settings. So to do this, first, you want to open the Windows search and search for the View Network Connections. Now open it and find the network connection you are currently using. Now you want to right-click the connection and select on Properties. And now find and select the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on the Properties and then select use the following DNS server addresses and then enter the preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8. And then for alternative DNS server, you want to put in 8.8.4.4. So these are the Google DNS servers. So finally, check the validate settings upon exit, and then click on OK. So after completing these steps, you want to restart your computer and try opening your Roblox again. And that's how you do it.